Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPy. Today we'll be learning how to do multi-line declaration of variables. Okay, so an example here you could see x, y equals 5, 6. So here what is happening is the value 5 is going to be assigned to x, and then the value 6 is going to be assigned to the value the variable y. Okay, so let's try something. So I'm going to say w equal w comma r equals, let's say 3 6. Then I'm going to print out their values. Okay, so print w, and then on another line I'm going to print r. Okay, so you can see how to declare multiple variables. Okay, and also we have here another way of also declaring multiple, assigning as a single value to multiple variables. So let's say z, b, c, d. Okay, we want to assign each and every one of them like the value of 1. So for us not to go through a long process of doing something like z equals 1, b equals 1, no, you can just z equals b equals c equals d equals 1, and then here I'm printing out the values. Okay, so when I click on this, you can see the value of z is 1. So all these variables have the value of 1. Okay, so let's try one out. So I'm going to insert a cell, and then I say w equals e equals y equals, let's give it a value of 2. Okay, so I'm going to print into bracket, let's print w. So w has 2. Let's do that for print e, so 2. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for watching.